Hello foodies! Today we're making this very delicious instant pot chicken cacciatore. So without much further ado, let's get started! At the program, we press the saute button and wait till it displays the word on. And now we can put the first ingredient, which is oil. Next, we add the chicken. Here I have chicken thighs. And we will brown them for about 6 to 8 minutes. And then we do the same to the other side. Once they're done, we set aside. Next, we add the washed mushrooms. We cook for a few minutes. And you see it's becoming watery. Next, we add the celery, the onions, and the minced garlic. Next, we add back the chicken. And we add 4 chicken cubes. And then add 2 cans of chopped peeled tomatoes in tomato juice, around 400 grams each. And then we add Italian herbs. And then we go to the program and we press the cancel button. And then we secure the lid. And we will position the steam release to sealing position. And then we go to the program again and press the meat stew button. And then we set the timer to 12 minutes. Pressure will build up for 10 minutes. And after the pressure has built up, the display will start to count down. Now, let's do the quick steam release, but be careful. And then, we wait until the red valve drops. So that means it's now safe to open the pot. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching, and please follow us on our socials. Thank you so much. Bye.